Good morning, children. Today I will teach you biology. For today, my topic will be connective tissue. As we are studying tissue, in that sequence, the topic for today is connective tissue. We are knowing connective means to connect, to join from one thing to another thing. So, from the name of connective tissue, the definition of connective tissue is the tissue which connects one parts from another parts in the body, one organ from another organ in the body is known as connective tissue. Those tissues which are involved in the connectivity of one part from another part are known as connective tissue. It includes several types of fibrous tissue. In connective tissue, fibrous tissues are involved. So many fibrous tissues are there in your body which are involved in connective tissue. And for example, bone, ligament, tendon, cartilage and adipose or fat tissue. There is bone in your body, there is ligament in your body, there is tendon in your body, there is cartilage in your body and there is fat tissue in your body, which are generally what? Fibrous tissue. These all bone, ligament, tendon, cartilage and adipose or fat tissues are fibrous tissues which are under connective tissue. They all bone, ligament, tendon, cartilage and adipose tissues connects one part or one organ from another organ. You have seen the bone. Suppose there is bone, there is bony structure in your body which connects one organ from another organ. There is ligament, ligament also connect one parts to another parts. Tendon also connect one part from another part. Cartilage also connect one part from another part and fat tissues also connect one part to another part. So these all are under connective tissue. Now what is the function of connective tissue? The function of connective tissue is binding. Binding means it joins one organ to another organ. Bind. Supporting. Connective tissue support, provides support to one organ to in connection to another organ. Protects. It also protects our body from external wounds, from external injuries. It insulating. It also heal up the wounds in your body. The function of connective tissue is to insulate the injured part in your body. It also stores reserve fuels. Energy is required for proper functioning of your body and that energy is stored by this connective tissue and transport substances within your body. It also transport fluid from one part to another part in such sequence your blood is also a connective tissue, because your blood also connects one part to another parts in your body, and your blood also transport substances within the body. So your blood is also a connective tissue. Thus, connective tissue also help to transport substances within the body. Now types. Mainly connective tissues are of 6 types, but here we will study about 4 types. Those 4 types are bone, cartilage, blood and lymph. These all 4 are connective tissue. Connective tissue are which are connective tissue? Bone connects your body parts to each other. One bone connects to another bone, and thus it connects one organ to another organ. Cartilages also help to connect one organ to another organ. Blood, as I told you that blood helps to connect one part of your body with another part, and lymph also help to protect your body. Thus, these are the types of connective tissue: bone, cartilage, blood and lymph. Today I taught you the connective tissue. I will give you some question on my topic which you will do in your copy. Thank you.